Ready. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Alright. As we start the match here, we have Level Up Shooting Stars grabbing a ton of green cubes into their collection system. They're getting ready to score all of those. Blubber Duckies grabbing one, flipping it over. Just barely missing that goal. Level Up Shooting Stars getting ready to dispense all of those cubes. They get one, they get two. And a lot of cubes in there. At 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Blubber Duckies getting the cube up into that goal, flipping it over the top of their robot. Level Up Shooting Stars pushing that off the post for 6 points. You must now switch drivers. Blubber Duckies flipping another cube over to get the uniform goal bonus, which is extra 10 points. Alright, Level Up Shooting Stars grabbing some more cubes. Getting ready to drop up into that last goal post. To get out of 10 seconds, we'll see if any teams make the last minute effort to get into that loading zone. Blubber Duckies with some cubes in there.
Is she your daughter? Yeah. Okay. My son is Tyler, and then Alec is just one of his